A Dark Thing Inside the Day by Lynda Gregg. So many want to be lifted by song and dancing, and this morning it is easy to understand. I write in the sound of chirping birds hidden in the almond trees, the almonds still green and thriving in the foliage. Up the street, a man is hammering to make a new house as doves continue their cooing forever. Bees humming, and high above that, a brilliant clear sky. The roses are blooming, and I smell the sweetness. Everything desirable is here already in abundance. And the sea. The dark thing is hardly visible in the leaves, under the sheen. We sleep easily. So I bring no sad stories to warm the heart. All the flowers are adult this year. The good world gives, and the white doves praise all of it.